demanded the implementation of NRC in Delhi, calling for a special assembly session for the same. He says identify and deport Rohingyas and Bangladeshis, and that the Aam Aadmi Party government seems to be shedding crocodile tears ahead of the elections.
दिल्ली की सरकार रोहिंग्या और बांग्लादेशी मुसलमानों को दिल्ली में बसा रही है, उनको संरक्षण दे रही है, उनका पूरा अरेंजमेंट कर रही है, दिल्ली में अतिक्रमण करवा रही है। और जब हम सदन में ये मामला उठाते हैं तो हमारे माइक बंद किए जाते, हमें बोलने नहीं दिया जाता, कार्रवाई से हमारा स्टेटमेंट हटवाया जाता है। रोहिंग्या और बांग्लादेशी मुसलमानों को दिल्ली में बसाना बंद करे आम आदमी पार्टी और कांग्रेस। ये दोनों लोग मिलकर के दिल्ली के चरित्र को खराब करने में लगे हुए। रोहिंग्या और बांग्लादेशी मुसलमानों के नकली वोट आम आदमी पार्टी बनवा रही है, और जब हम उनको रोक रहे तो शोर मचा रहे। सवाल तो ये है कि घड़ियाली आंसू बहाने से काम नहीं चलेगा, दिल्ली के दर्द को समझना पड़ेगा। और ऐन चुनाव के मौके पर अगर आप गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदलते हो तो लोग सब समझते हैं। आओ एक कॉमन कंसेंसस बनाते हैं, ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग बुलाओ, सदन में प्रस्ताव लाओ, दिल्ली में एनआरसी लागू होनी चाहिए। केजरीवाल जी, दिल्ली में एनआरसी लागू करो, ऐसे लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई करो और इनको डिपोर्ट करो। लेकिन आप सिर्फ ब्लेम गेम करते हो, आप सिर्फ आरोप प्रत्यारोप करते हो। आतिशी मार्लिना सिर्फ घड़ियाली आंसू बहाती है, झूठ बोलती है और लोगों को गुमराह करती है। हमारा साफ रूप से कहना है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी लगातार इस मामले को उठा रही है, सदन के अंदर भी, सदन के बाहर भी। सदन का विशेष सत्र बुलाओ, एनआरसी दिल्ली में लागू करने का प्रस्ताव पारित करो, हमारा दिया हुआ प्रस्ताव स्वीकार करो, आप स्वयं प्रस्ताव लाओ, सभी पार्टियों की मीटिंग बुलाओ, कंसेंसस करो और एनआरसी को लागू करो।
My colleague Tejshri is also joining us on the broadcast. Tejshri, so clearly in the Delhi Assembly elections, we saw it started off with issues of law and order in the national capital. It has now veered to the NRC. Is that also going to be one of the biggest talking points in the elections?
Well, absolutely. You see, till now, Rohingyas was one of the talking points in which Aam Aadmi Party was blaming the central government for not protecting the borders, and not just that, but in fact, they were also holding them accountable for the infiltration, and in fact also questioning as to how Rohingya entered the national capital via Assam and also West Bengal. And in fact, they also in fact wrote a letter to Amit Shah. In fact, the Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, wrote a letter to Home Minister Amit Shah, and in fact she also raised several questions, and in fact also questioned that is the central government not capable to safeguard the Indo-Bangladesh border. And in fact, not just that, but also she stated that it is not the Aam Aadmi Party who gave shelter to Rohingyas, but it was the BJP. And in fact, she also stated the statement of Hardeep Singh Puri. However, BJP later clarified, Basuri Swaraj later clarified that BJP did not give any kind of shelter to the Rohingyas, but Aam Aadmi Party clearly mentioned that it was BJP who gave shelter to the Rohingyas and snatched the right of the people of Delhi. So now, as the war of words escalates for Rohingya, we'll have to see that how Aam Aadmi Party responds to this particular demand of the BJP for the NRC to be carried out in the national capital and a special assembly session to be called out for that.
Okay, all right. In fact, recently a showdown had also erupted between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP over the allegations of voter deletions in Delhi. To investigate this issue, Times Now Tejshri, who was just speaking to us, conducted a ground check as well. Take a look at this detailed report.
Aam Aadmi Party has been levelling up severe allegations against the BJP to carry out a massive drive for deletion of the names of the voters from the voters list. Aam Aadmi Party's national convener Arvind Kejriwal and several other senior leaders from Aam Aadmi Party are alleging that BJP is filing number of applications to delete the names of thousands of voters from the voters list. Constituencies particularly like Shahadra, Vasant Kunj and other constituencies as well, they say that the applications have been filed to delete the names of the voters. And as far as the particular constituency Shahadra is concerned, Aam Aadmi Party has been saying that the application has been filed to delete the names of 11,000 voters' name from the voters list. And there are many voters whose names have already been deleted is what Aam Aadmi Party says. Currently, I am standing and reporting from Shahadra constituency, and here this particular area is Jhilmil industrial area. I am being joined by a few women voters who have been complaining about their names being deleted from the voters list. We'll have a word with them and see that what call did they get and are their names actually deleted from the voters list.
मेरा नाम उमा देवी है, मैं रहती हूँ यहाँ पे दिल्ली से, मतलब शाहदरा में रहती हूँ और हम लोग का वोट कट गया है।
अच्छा, क्या आपको किस तरह से कोई कॉल आया था, कोई जानकारी आई थी कि आपका वोट डिलीट हुआ है?
नहीं, कॉल तो नहीं आया था, मतलब वोटर लिस्ट में नाम चढ़ा नहीं है हमारा। तो हमारे हस्बैंड का, हमारे घर में 7 लोग का है, 5 लोग का वोट कट चुका है।
बताइए कि आपका भी नाम वोटर लिस्ट से कटा हुआ?
ससुर का, मेरा देवर का,
हाँ।
मेरा जेठ का, जेठानी का 4 जने का नाम कटा है, कागज भी आया है
अच्छा
मेरे घर पे।
All right, so the war of words continues. On that note, we are slipping into a short break here.